All right. Hello guys, hello friends, welcome back and happy day to you. It is the day after the style challenge wrapped up and I am so unbelievably happy. Honestly though, I feel like I'm coming down off of a high, and I thought I would first of all say thank you so much to everyone who participated in the Parisian Style 10x10 Fall Capsule Wardrobe Challenge. It was so much fun. It was truly so much fun. It was truly so much fun. You guys blew me away with all of your outfits. I just can't thank you enough for participating, and a huge thanks again to Jessica for doing this with me, for co-hosting. She is truly one of the coolest people that I know, and I cannot wait to connect with her in person someday soon. Like last spring, or this past spring, I decided to push myself even further and get 10 more outfits out of the 10x10, or out of the 10-piece capsule wardrobe. So this is kind of like a 10x20 Parisian style capsule wardrobe, and this one is again for fall. I'm using the same pieces. I've switched up I think one of the accessories, and it is going to blow your mind hopefully how many cute outfits I was able to get out of this. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the 10 more outfits I was able to style and giving you a few like smart swaps that you can make if you're looking to recreate any of these outfits for yourself. So if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and hit the bell notification because it helps this channel out so much. You have no idea how much it helps this channel out. Every channel that you watch, if you want to support a creator, the best thing you can do is hit that bell notification. As always, chapters are linked in the description box below. I'll put all the links to the pieces I'm wearing. I did want to quickly mention that I'm going to be relaunching my fall capsule wardrobe workshop. This is going to be a fall/winter transitional capsule wardrobe workshop. It's going to be happening on Saturday, October 23rd, and I'm going to do it in the afternoon so that you guys who work Monday through Friday can do something on the weekend, on your time off, and join a style workshop. So this capsule wardrobe workshop is going to really focus on how to dress like a French woman using the pieces that you already have in your wardrobe. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build your capsule wardrobe for fall/winter and kind of what transitional pieces you might need. But we're going to be looking inside your closets and looking at the things that you already own and trying to create outfits out of those things. Because I guarantee you, you have so many beautiful pieces, hidden gems, if you will, that you might already be overlooking. Because when I go and do in-person wardrobe edits for my clients, I always find super cute things that I know they can wear and that I know will look really great on them. And so I'm going to help you identify those pieces for you in your wardrobe. Plus, I'm going to be helping you transition slowly from fall into winter. That's a really easy transition, but I do hear from a lot of my clients that dressing cute for winter, for cold temperatures, can be really hard. And having lived in Chicago for 8 years in those brutal Midwest winters, I can attest to the fact that it is really challenging to dress cute and warm. So that's something we'll be covering too in the workshop. And I know that a lot of you are constantly asking me on Instagram and in the comments section here on YouTube where you can shop for affordable French girl inspired pieces, especially those of you who are either petite or plus size. That can always be challenging to try to figure out where do you actually shop for these cool items. So I'm going to have loads and loads of resources for you. Plus there's going to be one-on-one access to yours truly, so you can join the workshop and get like one-on-one styling advice, and you'll also get a free downloadable that's going to help you plan your capsule wardrobe for fall/winter and then moving into the new year. So again, it's going to be on Saturday, October 23rd, and it's going to be in the afternoon. I'm going to poll you guys for that precise time on Instagram, but you can go ahead and pre-purchase your ticket right now using the link in the description box or clicking the card above here. I think that's a super easy way to get, styling advice, to get excited about your wardrobe, to like rediscover the pieces in your closet that are really like going to help you make your wardrobe come together. I don't know if you guys participated in the Parisian Style 10x10 challenge, but there were so many cute outfits that came out of that from everyone who joined, and I kind of feel like that was just further evidence that we really do have what we need hiding in our closets that help us create super cute, easy to wear, you know, comfortable outfits that make us feel really pretty and put together. So I would absolutely love it if you join the workshop. I cannot wait to do this with you. This is kind of the first time I'm doing something like this in a really long time, and I'm just going to put it out there for you guys and hope that it's something that you all are interested in and excited in. And leave me a comment in the comment section below if you are interested in the workshop and if you've got any specific questions or things that you would absolutely love me to cover in the class that I haven't mentioned yet. Okay, so that's that. Let's move on to the looks. I really believe that this first look is one of the most comfortable and chic looks that I was able to put together. This definitely is inspired by Alison Bornstein, who's the stylist for Katie Holmes, and she like really brought back the sweater set. And I feel very comfortable yet very chic. You could easily swap out the black ankle boots for something more comfortable and casual, but sweater sets I think are going to become like a bigger deal. Like I only see them growing in popularity, so I will be doing a whole review of that. But these are the AG Gold 90s mid-rise jeans in Affair, and I will just quickly say that you need to size down 2 to 3 sizes. And then I've also got my thrifted Calvin Klein handbag with my thrifted Silk Dior scarf, and I feel oh so cute. And again, I'm still wearing the same Ana Luisa jewelry and my mom's necklace. I love this look so much, and I'm going to be wearing it all the time. The next outfit here is definitely playing on the sweater set combo again. I just feel like putting a sweater set with any bottom and any group of accessories is going to make you look instantly put together because there's that inherent built-in coordination that's happening. But this is one of the most dressed down casual looks I have ever styled. I think the ball cap and the tree-torn tennis shoes, which were both thrifted, are kind of a revelation. These are the cotton twill pants from Express that I get so many compliments on, and they could not be more comfortable. And I'm also wearing my emotional baggage tote bag, which I absolutely adore. You can get that in my Etsy shop. But I love how chill this look is, and I feel like it is loungewear, but it looks really done up, and I think anyone could pull this off. Suiting is completely taking the world by storm right now, whether it's slacks, shorts, or skirts with a matching blazer of some sort. I feel like suiting is definitely really in for fall and is going to be in for a long time. So instead of wearing the matching pants that go with the pinstripe blazer, I'm just wearing the Express cotton twill pants with the double-breasted Ralph Lauren blazer that I got from the thrift store, and then my Paris 66 t-shirt that I designed. And I just really love how casual this looks. This could be an office look if you swapped out the t-shirt for maybe like a plain silk tee or a really thin knit sweater, or even just a beautiful blouse, but keeping the accessories very monochrome and put together, you know, cohesive. I feel like this look has a huge statement to it, so I love it. The thing with suiting is that you can mix and match your own pieces if you want to, or you can go all the way coordinated, but I really felt like this was it was an unexpected pairing that ended up working really well. So I feel like the under layers of the top and the bottom are like a nice almost blank canvas that you can put more print on or more color on, and I just thought that little wicker bag made sense with the brownish, reddish, orangish fall colors of that beautiful thrifted Larry Levine wool blazer. It's so lovely. This was such an incredible find at the thrift store, and I absolutely love it. It feels like it could be a several $100 blazer, and it looks so much like Rouge in my opinion. But yeah, I just think that this outfit really works, and I feel super cute and super me in it. Okay, so this is such a cute look in my opinion. I wanted to try to get more wear out of the cardigan, so I decided to pair it with the Breton top from the Gap, and I also paired it with my espadrilles just to make it look a little bit more dressed up, because this is a very casual and comfortable look. But I feel very cute in this, and I just am so glad to start incorporating more knitwear into my wardrobe, because that was an area of my wardrobe that I hadn't really been focusing on, and definitely not cardigans. So I do feel like this is a casual look, but the espadrilles make it look a slight bit more fancy, which I think every outfit really needs. And I could definitely see you just wearing this out and about to the store, or to study at the coffee shop, or work at the coffee shop, or out to the farmer's market if you have some in your area. But I think this is a really cute outfit that pretty much anybody could wear. I think anyone can style this and look so, so cute. I would definitely call this a sexy office look. This feels very Chanel to me. The Mary Janes just, oh my gosh, the Mary Janes. I had to swap out the J. Crew mules because they were really not good shoes. They were not comfortable at all. So I actually had these Mary Jane mules that I got from a discount shoe store. They were brand new. They were only $10, and the brand is Chinese Laundry. But I do feel like this outfit works on so many different levels. I feel like I could definitely wear this to Paris Fashion Week in my dream life. And if the leather skirt is not working for you, you could swap it out for a matching skirt to go with the blazer, or you could even, you know, again, do a longer skirt or a different fabric for the skirt, or you could just swap it out for slacks. This outfit I feel like is super fun and different. I would have never thought to put any of these things together. The shoes are patent leather from a brand called Mix No. 6 that I got at DSW, and they are super comfortable, I have to say. Some of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn, but they're really unique and really different, and I don't think they look very good with my A. Goldie jeans, so I'm on the fence about keeping these. I feel like this look works for some strange reason. I feel like maybe the red in the Paris 66 pulls out the red in the blazer, and then the black in the accessories pulls in the black with the skirt. So it's a very fun and unique outfit, and I do feel pretty cool in it. I don't know if I'm actually gonna end up wearing it out and about, but I actually really love this outfit. I'm not going to lie to you. I feel really neat in it and very comfortable and very brie. So this is my attempt to try to make the leather skirt look a little bit more casual, because I do feel like it's kind of an intense piece. But yeah, so I paired it with the romantic blouse that I thrifted, and it's got that ginormous statement collar, so I wanted to keep it a very simple outfit, so I kept the accessories really casual and simple as well. I'm wearing the Emotions canvas tote bag with the thrifted tree-torn tennis shoes. And I do feel like this outfit works. If you're not into the leather, you could swap it out for a denim skirt, or a corduroy skirt would look absolutely amazing, I think. And I just feel like this look is very wearable. So if you're not into skirts, the romantic blouse pretty much goes with just about everything, so I think you could wear it in any way that you can possibly imagine. This is one of the most fun looks out of all of them, but I do think it is very much out there because that statement collar is quite bold. I would almost imagine seeing this more maybe in like Japan or something like that, because it looks very costumey in one way, but I thought I would try to have more fun with it and use the sweater in a different way. Plus, these ruffle statement collared pieces are going to be everywhere this fall and winter. You're going to see them on coats, on dresses, on sweaters, on blouses. It's really kind of sweeping. You know, it's only growing in popularity and picking up momentum, so I thought, why not try to get more wear out of the cardigan and put the blouse underneath it. And I paired it with the espadrilles just to bring in the top a little bit more, but you could also pair it with the tennis shoes or with the Mary Janes would be really sweet. And obviously a really beautiful coat over this would be quite nice, like a pea coat would be really cute. But this is a fun look. You could even swap out the skirt for a pair of wool trousers would be really, really sweet, I think. This is my second favorite look out of all of them. I feel really me in this. I love how these jeans look, and just FYI, I did spill coffee on my jeans. New to me, A. Goldie jeans at church on Sunday, so I need to get that out. But I just love how these Mary Janes kind of remind me of Chanel, and I do think that the jacket, the cropped bolero jacket, reminds me of Chanel as well. So I'm really loving this look. I think keeping the accessories in the same color family works super great, and with a good pair of jeans you just cannot go wrong. So don't forget that I've linked the jeans in the description box below. I got these secondhand on Poshmark, so I always recommend looking there, and I just love this. I feel like the cropped works great for a pair of high-waisted jeans, you know, to make your body look a little bit more accentuated. And honestly, like, I've been wearing this outfit on repeat since I styled it, and I just can't get enough of it. So I'm trying to switch out a few elements to try to make it fresh. I don't know, I feel like I could get maybe even 2, possibly even 3 more looks out of this, because really, even if you're wearing the same pieces, swapping out the accessories changes a look immensely. You can wear the sweater set so many different ways just based on swapping out the bottom. In conclusion, I'd like to say again, just thank you so much for participating in the style challenge. Jessica and I would love to know if you want us to do a winter or holiday or travel Parisian style 10x10. Just let me know in the comments section below. And I just so appreciate you guys, and I'm really excited for the workshop that's coming up. So be sure to sign up for the workshop and DM me on Instagram if you've got any style questions, or if you just want to connect and say hi. That's like kind of the thing that I love the most about what I get to do, is just making friends on Instagram and here on YouTube. So I'm really looking forward to carrying on a conversation with you over there, and if I left anything out, do let me know, but I can't think of anything. So now I'm off to run some errands and then later edit this video, which you will see coming out. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day wherever you are, fantastic rest of your week whenever you happen to be watching this, and I look forward to hearing from you on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next week. Take really good care, okay? Bye!